I kept replaying the same clip, not because it looked incredible, but because something felt strange and I couldn't figure out what it was. At first I blamed the AI, then I watched it again. Turns out it wasn't the video at all. I was looking so hard for mistakes that I wasn't even watching it like a normal person anymore. And that made me realize something. Maybe we're comparing AI tools the wrong way. Think about the last video you watched on YouTube. Did you pause it and inspect every frame? Probably not. If the story was interesting, you kept watching. If it was boring, you clicked away. That's how real viewers behave, and I think that's how these tools should be judged too. When I looked at Supercool AI, the first thing that stood out wasn't the graphics, it was how quickly I could move from one idea to the next. I'd think of a scene, try it, change a few words, generate another version, and keep going. It felt less like I was operating software and more like I was brainstorming with it. For creators who upload every week, that's actually a bigger deal than it sounds. Hedra AI pulled me in for a different reason. There were a couple of moments where the characters felt surprisingly believable. Not perfect, just believable enough that I stopped thinking about the technology for a second. Then another generation would remind me that AI still has a long way to go. I actually liked that because it kept my expectations realistic instead of making me believe every generation would be amazing. Somewhere in the middle of all this, I stopped comparing software and started thinking about deadlines. If a client needed a video by tomorrow morning, which tool would help me finish the job? If I had extra time and wanted to keep refining facial expressions, which one would I enjoy using more? Those questions felt much more useful than asking which AI was better, because honestly, there isn't one answer. The best tool changes depending on what you're trying to make. That's probably why you'll find people arguing about these platforms in every comment section. They're not creating the same kind of content. So here's my advice. Don't buy the AI that wins the most comparisons. Buy the AI that solves the problem you deal with every single week. That's usually the smarter decision. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to pick just one for your next project, would it be Supercool AI or Hedra AI? Comment below and tell me the biggest reason behind your choice. I'm interested to see whether people care more about speed, realism, or something completely different.